Temu account registration sign up guide. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser in the search bar. Search for temu.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Temu. You will see the country flag there. Place your cursor there and now tap on change country/region. You will be led to the country or region and language page. Click on the first drop down and select your country. Your language and currency will be set automatically based on your country. Now tap on the Your Orders option in the right corner of your screen. You will get the sign in/register pop-up. Now enter your email address or your phone number and click on sign in. You can also sign in using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or your Apple account. I will sign in using my Google account. You will now be led to your orders page. On the left side, you will see the option for your profile. Tap on that. Here, you can edit your display picture, your name, your bio, and gender. Click on Save once you have made the changes. And with this, your Temu account will be ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.